Right, here we are, UPF Free Lunch of a sprouting mentalist. Got the tin lentils, got the onions, the garlic, bit of olive oil, got to glug it on there, salt, pepper, whatever you want. Do whatever. Don't let me decide. Right, mash it all together. Plate this bad boy up. Bit of red cabbage sprout, alfalfa sprouts, fenugreek sprouts. Lovely. Nice. Now get them lentils plated up. Bit of sauerkraut, bit of kimchi, crackers. Got to have a bit of crunch. Got to have a bit of crunch. Right, dessert, milk, kefir, bit of fruit and spices. We need a bit of sprinkler, don't I? Sit in the sun and enjoy. What do you reckon? Would you eat that?